Hello there, welcome to our channel. So guys, today we are going to talk about one of the upcoming gaming phone from Xiaomi, the Black Shark 4. This phone is scheduled to launch next week, specifically speaking on Tuesday, 23rd of March. Now Black Shark has released several teasers, including a short teaser video on the device revealing few key features of the phone. The first thing you will notice is that the rear design of the phone had changed, including the camera setup, which is now a simple horizontal camera hump. And it also has the logo that glows, which could be RGB, something we have seen very often in the gaming phones. Next, we see the phone's physical shoulder triggers are making a return from the Black Shark 3 Pro. If you are an avid gamer, you would know the importance of physical trigger keys. Other than those design elements, we haven't had any proper look at the device, but since this is a gaming phone, we don't think there will be any major design change. On the front side, they would keep some room for selfie camera and stereo speakers, giving the phone tiny bezels on the top and bottom. Now let's jump on to some specifications. The Black Shark 4 will pack a 6.67-inch display with 120Hz refresh rate. By today's standard, even 120Hz doesn't feel enough for gaming phones. We hope at least they have higher touch response rate than the previous generation Black Shark devices. Under the hood, powering the phone will be the Snapdragon 888 chipset, as well as 8 plus 128 gigs of RAM and internal storage. There will also be other RAM and storage configurations available depending on the price. On battery side of things, expect a 4500 mAh battery which comes with 120 watt charging, which promises 0 to 100% in the matter of just 15 minutes. Moving on to the next thing, and that's cooling. With every gaming phone, there is a trend of improving the cooling system for every next model, and for this device, it's not very different. In the image, you can see that there is some advanced cooling going on. No, there is no cooling fan like the Red Magic phone, but what appears to be a meaty liquid cooling system that dissipates way more heat than usual. They will also provide optional accessories to further cooling down the device. So that's pretty much it for today. More about the cameras and other stuff will be available as we get closer to the launch, so definitely subscribe. Anyways, hope to catch you in the next one. Peace out.